Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Today I want to share with you the latest release from initial model, the EG6, the titanium gray. So this is actually the second Japan exclusive after the blue metallic, and yeah, so this one is only made available for the Japanese market. Packaging wise, everything is still the same. So this one is titanium gray. So we go straight to the car itself. Okay, just put it aside. So this will be the 7th EG6 variant so far. We know that there's a pink one coming along, and in titanium gray this would be the 4th variant. The GTR, the GT86, and also the RX7. And of course, this gray, titanium gray, is different from the gun metallic. That is in a metallic more, you will see a much more reflective kind of paint, and this one is a little bit more matte, I would say. It's not as reflective. Okay, so let's go straight and take a closer look at it. All right, so I'm just taking it out of the base. Give me a sec. There we go. All right. Okay, let it zoom a little bit. So this one, the wheels is actually, the rims is very similar to the one in blue. Again, similar to the yellow and also the orange video, I would say nothing really new has been done by initial model for this particular model, because the rim has been done before, the paint has been done before, and this casting is not a new casting. So yeah, even the tempo, it's for the EG6, all of them are the same. You'll see the PANDEM logo on the side of the doors and also on the windshield. Okay, but maybe this round I want to share something else, because I did notice my back wheels, the alignment is a little off. Yeah, this side looks quite okay, but this one looks a little off. So what I did was I tried to open it. Okay, so when we look underneath, right, maybe I can show you this. So this one is rather straightforward. It's just one screw in front, because okay, I'll just take it out and show it to you. So it's just one screw in the front, and the back, it's actually hooked onto the license plate. So when you try to remove it, it's supposed to come off. However, I noticed that, I'm not sure if we can see it. I'll let it zoom a little bit. Okay, when I tried to take it off, right, I noticed that they applied some glue in this section. Yeah, can you see it? I'll just let it zoom a little bit more. Yeah, can you see they applied a little glue there? So I don't think I would try to force it open. I don't want to damage the only piece that I have, right? So that's what I do. In the front, it is fastened using the screw, and the back, it's hooked as the number plate. So this is nothing new. It's something that Hot Wheels has done for some time now. All right, but Hot Wheels do not apply the glue. So I guess they apply the glue to kind of secure the fastening of the base to the body, which I think it's pretty good. All right, so apart from that, that's about it for now from me for this casting, and I am looking forward to the upcoming release in pink. Right, so that's all from me for now. I will be taking close-up photos of this piece and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutage.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also hit the bell to follow me on more awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye.